Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to fund your Alipay account with Naira. Very simple and easy tutorial. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Alipay, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Alipay and how to import from China. So with that being said, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to fund your Alipay account with just Naira. And the balance is going to be reflected right here. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to access from my Alipay right here. So you can see my current balance right here. I'm going to access from my Alipay right here. Then having access from my Alipay, I will go ahead and top up my Naira wallet and fund it with my Alipay. So let's see. Right here, this is my Naira wallet right here. As you can see, the indication, Naira wallet. And here, you also have your RMB wallet right here, just like what you see right here. Now, after you have deposited money into your Naira wallet, let's see how we can convert this Naira into RMB and deposit the money into our Alipay account. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to click on send right here. Having click on send, then make sure you click on here and make sure you choose Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on here and choose account type. So here I'm going to choose personal. Then enter your Alipay account number right here. Then scroll down and make sure you click on key hard code images. Then from your phone album, you have to select your key hard code Alipay payment. Then right here, this is my Alipay key hard code payment. I'm going to select it and click on done. Now you have everything right here. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and click on continue. The next thing you need to do is to select payment option right here. The next thing you're going to do is to select your Naira wallet. The next thing you need to do is to enter the amount you want right here. So I'm going to enter 480 Yuan right here. I need 480 Yuan. So I've entered the amount in Yuan right here. Then you have the Naira you are going to pay in equivalent of this Yuan right here. The next thing we want to do is to click on continue right here. Then you have to be sure that everything you enter here is correct. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down and make sure you click on pay now. Then click on pay now. Then enter your payment password. Then click on proceed. You successfully created a RMB transaction, then click on done. By the time you refresh your Naira wallet, the amount here is going to reduce, just like what you see right here. You can see the amount has been drastically reduced. Then the RMB funding is going to be on pending. Then from here, we can easily track the RMB right here and see it in successfully deposited into our Alipay. Welcome back to this video right here. As you can see now that from pending, it has fully completed. And I placed the order at exactly 10:51 a.m. And now this order here has been fully delivered. Let's check my Alipay now and confirm this particular payment of 480 Yuan in my Alipay. So I'm going to access from my Naira wallet right here. Then I will head over to my Alipay. So I'm going to simply click on Alipay right here. After open up my Alipay right here, next thing I'm going to do is to click on this account, click on account. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on balance right here. Then here we go. You can see the balance has been reflected in my Alipay account right here. you can see the amount that was credited into my Alipay. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Alipay like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business or any Alipay related issue, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.